This is the massive Volcano Curry Mee from the Little Jungle Coffee House in KL, filled with huge scallops, prawns, chicken, pork, and cockles, submerged in a rich, flavorful, and spicy curry. For 42 ringgit, it's definitely enough to share between 3 to 4 people. Even though you can get cheaper and more delicious curry mees from a regular kopitiam, this is still tasty and pretty cool to try the biggest curry mee bowl we have ever seen. We also got their signature fried pork curry mee. The pork was crispy, crunchy, and salty, and we got to choose the type of noodles we wanted. We opted for a handmade noodles, which was a little bit overcooked and really soft. And for dessert, we got their Tau Fu Fah, a simple yet comforting dessert to end our meal. Overall, while the food may be slightly pricier than your regular kopitiam, I thought the food was still delicious, and it's a nice spot to gather with friends or family for a delicious breakfast or lunch.